welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. Let's start off with a white piece of paper right here, and we're gonna get our black marker to start drawing. So what do you think we should be drawing today? I'm thinking of something green. What do you think I'll be drawing? Well, let me just start by telling you it's something really slow. Well, it's actually a turtly awesome turtle. That's what we're gonna be drawing today. Now, I'm going to start by drawing the eyes. So there's one circle here and another circle. So 2 circles for the eyes for the turtle. Next, I'm going to be drawing the shell for the turtle. Maybe I'll do a really round curve here, like a half circle. There it is. I haven't connected the end, but I will. And it's going to be a straight or a roundish line on the bottom. So there's the shell for my turtle. At the end here, I'm going to do a little curve around, and that's going to just be the end of the shell. So I think the next part I'll probably start on is the head. I'll start by doing an arc that goes from one side of the eye to the other. And then at the bottom of one of the small circles on the far end, I'm going to draw a curved line to go to the shell and another one there. There you go. So now I'm going to add in a tail for my turtle. And of course, I'll have to add in some feet for him as well. So I'm going to do a little bit of half circle there and another one. There's 2. How many should we have? Probably 4, right? So we'll add another 2 there. And then we're going to draw pupils. I'm going to do 2 black circles. Of course, yours could be winking or crying or sleepy. You can decide what kind of eyes your turtle will have. And I'll do a smile for him. For yours, you can have him eating or maybe sticking his tongue out. Some kind of personality for your turtle as well. Next, I'm going to draw these different types of round shapes on the shell to give it a little bit of different types of pattern. Some that will go on the edge and some in the center of the shell. If you like, you can draw hearts or different types of shapes you like as well. I think I'll just do a combination of different types of hexagons or maybe pentagons as well. So there you go. We have our turtly awesome turtle. How is yours looking so far? Keep in mind, your turtle doesn't have to look exactly like mine. One of the great things of drawing is that we'll all come out with something different, even though we have the same idea or instructions to start off with. That's what makes drawing so interesting. So use your creativity and think about how you want to jazz up your turtle. Here I'm going to use a light green to color in the tail and also the feet. For you, you can use a different color. You can choose a purple, for the turtle if you like, or rainbow colors, or whatever color you like. As I'm coloring, I'm also thinking about what kind of story is happening in my drawing. What is this turtle on its way doing? Maybe it's going to a hat competition. I should probably put a hat on my turtle maybe. Or maybe it loves listening to music and I should add on some headphones for him. Well, while I'm thinking, I'm going to color in the shell with the patterns that I drew in before. You can use one solid color or use all types of different colors. You can have a rainbow shell if you like. I think the great thing is just trying out different types of color combination and see how it comes out. It can be so fun, right? And we can all come out with a different turtle drawing. Here, I'm going to color in the rim, making sure I don't leave too much of white space or gaps in between, just coloring the end of the shell. here. I'm going to color in that. And as I mentioned, here is a good opportunity for you to think about how you want to add some background for your drawing, whether the turtle is walking on grass or maybe swimming in water. So if it's swimming in water, are there little fishies that are swimming around? Or maybe if it's walking on grass, is it like a rainy weather right now? Or maybe it's like full of sunshine. So those are some ideas you can have to add background to your turtle. And while we're at it, let's think about, why is our turtle turtly awesome? Is it having a turtly awesome day? Maybe it's having a turtly awesome day because it got a present for a friend. Maybe it's holding a present and delivering it to someone's birthday. Or maybe we should draw, maybe it's not a boy turtle, maybe it's a girl turtle. I'm not sure what kind of turtle it is, but I think it's a great idea to think about different types of accessories you can add to your turtle. Maybe it needs a bow, maybe a bow tie. Maybe it's holding a flower on its mouth and carrying it over to a friend as it's visiting. Maybe it's a turtle that really likes pie. Do you like pie? Recently, I think I've been liking pie, so I could probably draw a pie for this turtle, and it's eating pie and it's having a turtly awesome day. Well, in any case, I think one of the great things about drawing is adding your little spin of creativity to your drawing and creating a story for it. I hope you enjoyed drawing this turtly awesome turtle so far, because I've certainly had a lot of fun. I think for now I'm going to add in a little bit of grass that it's going to be walking on. I'm going to have grass of all different lengths, some long ones and some short ones as well. And there will be the grass. What else should I draw for the background? There's so many possibilities to draw for the background. Should I draw a sun or maybe some clouds? Let's draw in some fluffy clouds. I love some fluffy clouds. There's some fluffy clouds here, and then a little bit more fluffy clouds on the side here. Think that's just about it. I could color in the clouds if I want, and I think that's probably almost wrapped up for my drawing. I hope you enjoyed this drawing for kids for the turtly awesome turtle, because I certainly had a lot of fun. If you like these videos, you might want to check out some of my other drawings of other animals and characters, and I would love to hear from you if you have other ideas of things you want me to draw. For now, I'm just gonna add in a hat and I'll just wrap it up for the day. Thank you so much for joining me on drawing this turtly awesome turtle, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and stay creative, everyone. Bye for now.